Hi, this is Kent Cordery, President of GeoInsight and the inventor of the HydraSleeve. We recently conducted a test to demonstrate the effects of pulling a full HydraSleeve through 100 feet of stagnant casing water. This is an important consideration because water in the casing is not representative of the live water within the well screen. Mixing the water from the casing with the sampled water from the well screen can actually alter the sample quality. The HydraSleeve has been successfully tested for the sealing properties of its check valve hundreds of times over the past 14 years, but the height of the stagnant water column has been limited to 15 feet for logistical reasons. 15 foot was the tallest platform we could get that we could attach a clear water column onto. To conduct this test, we fabricated a tubular flow-through chamber using a 6-foot section of clear 2-inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe with valving on each end to allow water to flow through the pipe at 1 to 2 feet per second. You have to picture a wind tunnel for testing a HydraSleeve. With the HydraSleeve placed in the column, the top discharge and the bottom inlet valves of the cylinder are opened, and the water is sent from the bottom up, replicating the sleeve sinking into the bottom of the well and into the well screen. Then we close the valves to stop the flow. This replicates the HydraSleeve being positioned within the well screen. Next, we fill the HydraSleeve by cycling it up and down within the well screen, or the clear cylinder in this case. Once filled, the HydraSleeve check valve is closed. At this point, we open the top inlet and the bottom discharge valves of the test cylinder, and the water flow is reversed, sending water from the top to the bottom to simulate the retrieval of the HydraSleeve from the well. To demonstrate the HydraSleeve passing through the contaminant in the water column, we also add red dye to the water flow. You can see it passing over the HydraSleeve. If the HydraSleeve picked up contamination while passing through the standing column of water above the well screen, it would be visible in the HydraSleeve. As you can see here, though, the HydraSleeve remains clear with no traces of dye picked up, even after passing through the equivalent of 100 feet of dyed stagnant water. Again, once the HydraSleeve is filled and the check valve closes, there's very little chance that any water above the HydraSleeve will enter the sleeve. What is important is to ensure that the HydraSleeve is filled in the well screen, thereby closing the check valve prior to exiting the top of the well screen. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. We can be reached at 1-800-996-2225 or at info@hydrasleeve.com.